students, my name is Venu Madhavi. Thank you for clicking on this video. In this video, I am going to explain the complete synthesis of cholesterol. So please do watch the video completely for clear understanding. Now coming to the synthesis of cholesterol, the starting material is 4-methoxy 2,5-toluquinone. This is on condensation with butadiene. These two will get condensed and the product is cis isomer. This methyl group and hydrogen are cis to each other, but we need a trans isomer. So for converting the cis isomer to trans isomer, this cis isomer is treated with alkali solution and later on acidification takes place. Then we will get a trans isomer. Here this methyl group and hydrogen are in trans to each other. So this trans isomer is later on reduced with LiAlH4. Then we will get this compound 4. So here the double bond O, here these two double bonds are reduced. Then we will get OH. So this is the compound 4. Later on this compound 4 on treatment with HCl, acidification takes place followed by hydrolysis. So on hydrolysis H plus and OH. So here H plus from hydrolysis and OH, water molecule will get eliminated, that means dehydration takes place, and here from OH and this methyl group minus CH3OH will takes place. So new double bond takes place between these two carbons. So this is the compound 5. So this compound 5 on treatment with acidic anhydride followed by zinc acetic anhydride. Then we will get this compound 6. This is the compound 6. Here OH group, in the place of OH group, acidic group is attached. So this is on treatment with ethyl formate followed by sodium methoxide. So this is a Claisen condensation. So what is meant by Claisen condensation? It is a CC bond forming reaction. Claisen condensation is a new CC bond forming reaction. So this reaction, this condensation takes place between either two ester groups or one ester group and one carbonyl group. So here ethyl formate is an ester group and carbonyl group. So the condensation takes place between an ester group and a carbonyl group. Then we will get hydroxymethylene ketone. This is the hydroxymethylene ketone. So this is on treatment with ethyl vinyl ketone. So this is on treatment with ethyl vinyl ketone followed by potassium tertiary butoxide. Then we will get this product. This is the Michael condensation reaction. So what is meant by Michael condensation reaction? This reaction is an addition of an enolate of ketone or aldehyde to an alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. So this is an ketone and this is a carbonyl alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. So at this carbon the condensation takes place. Then we will get this compound 8. So later on it is treated with KOH. Then cyclization takes place between these two carbons. So this is the compound 9. After cyclization, this is the compound 9. So when compound 9 is treated with osmium tetroxide, then we will get a cis glycol compound. So this is the cis glycol compound. These two OH groups are cis to each other. When this compound is treated with acetone in presence of anhydrous copper sulfate, then cyclization takes place. Here the two hydrogens and oxygen dehydration takes place, removal of water molecule. So cyclization takes place between these three. Then we will get isopropyridine derivative. This is the isopropyridine derivative. This is on selective reduction with H2 in presence of palladium or strontium carbonate. Then we will get this compound 12. Here this double bond will get reduced. Then we will get this compound 12. When the compound 12 condensed with ethyl formate and sodium methoxide, then we will get this compound 13. Here in this place CHOH double bond CHOH will attached. So the compound 13 on treatment with methylaniline. This methylaniline is used to protect this C double bond O group. So for the protection of this C double bond O, methylaniline is used. So after treating with methylaniline, we will get this compound. So here OH group, and from this methylaniline dehydration takes place, and this NCH3 and C6H5 attached to this carbon. Then we will get this compound. So this is on treatment with vinyl cyanide on hydrolysis. So on treatment with vinyl cyanide, then we will get this mixture of this is a racemic mixture which is in both plus and minus forms. So this mixture on treatment with acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate, then we will get this compound 16. So this is the compound 16. So here after treating with acetic anhydride and sodium acetate, cyclization takes place between this carbon and oxygen. So after treating with magnesium bromide, the ring open here. Between carbon and oxygen, the ring opening takes place here. Then a methyl group attached over this carbon. So this is the structure of the compound. So later on it is treated with NaOH for the cyclization process. So on treatment with NaOH, again cyclization takes place between these. Then we will get this compound 18. So this is on treatment with periodic acid in presence of dioxime. So this is on treatment here. The bond breaks over here. Then we will get this compound 19. So this is on boiling with benzene in presence of pyridine. Then we will get this compound 20. So this is the compound 20. So later on, compound 20 on oxidation with K2Cr2O7 in presence of diazomethane, we will get this compound 21. Here in presence CHO in this aldehyde group, this OCH3 group is attached. So later on catalytic reduction in presence of H2 in presence of platinum, isomerization takes place, and we will get this compound 22. So here this is on opener oxidation in presence of acetone and Al-BU thrice, that means triisobutyl aluminium. So then we will get this compound 23. This is the compound 23. That means OH, and here double bond O. Oxidation takes place. So this is on treatment with later reducing with NaBH4, sodium borohydride, followed by hydrolysis. Then we will get this compound 24. So here CH3 group is reduced. Here CH3 group is there, it is reduced. So then we will get this compound 24. Later on, it is treated with acetylated, and then followed by treatment with thionyl chloride, and then treated with dimethyl cadmium. So then we will get this acetylated hydroxyketone. So this is the compound 25. Here acetylation takes place with the use of thionyl chloride, dimethyl cadmium, and acetate group. So later on, this is on treatment with isohexyl magnesium bromide. This is the isohexyl magnesium bromide. So then we will get this compound 26. So this is on heating, dehydration takes place. Then we will get this compound 27. So which is on catalytic hydrogenation in presence of H2 and platinum. In presence of a base NaOH, we will get this compound cholestanol. So this is on treatment with sodium dichromate in presence of H2SO4. We will get this compound. So this is later on treatment with on bromination. Later on bromination, we will get here bromine group attached over here, Br2, and HBr will be eliminated. From this hydrogen, HBr will be eliminated. So this is the compound 30. So this is on treatment with pyridine. Then we will get this compound. So bromine get eliminated over here, and double bond takes place here. So later on, this is treated with acetyl chloride in presence of acetic anhydride. Then we will get this compound. So here the double bond, in the place of double bond, acetylation takes place, and CH3COO will be added over here, and double bond will be over here. New double bond will be formed over here. And later on reduction in presence of LiAlH4 and HCl, then we will get the final structure of cholesterol. So this is the final structure of cholesterol. So total 33 structures are there in this synthesis of cholesterol. Thank you. Thanks for watching.